See if you can get him to bark.
Speak. Speak.
Toss it at him using that string, but don't. Just keep it just out of his reach. Just tease him. Throw it up in the air, like he's gonna catch it. Oh, he got it. Now pull back on it and just let him hold it. Get it away from him. Get him as soon as he lets go. Get it away from him. There. Now this time, do that same lunge thing, okay? And then when he finally grabs onto it, just pull back and hold.
Sorry, buddy.
Now just hold. Just keep the tension on it. Okay, try it again. There. Keep tension on it. We want to teach him to hold. Good. Good boy. Good. Good boy. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. All right. Now release tension. Ask him to out.
Hey, out. Good boy. Hey, out. Good boy.
Good. Do it again. There, Paul. Now we want to get him to just hold it and not let go. Okay. Now release and say and ask him to out.
Out. Hey, out.
Nope.
Out.
Good.